Welcome back to Math with Amala. Please do watch the previous videos of the chapter. Now let's move to exercise 1.2. First question, find each of the following products. A part 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Why? Just we are multiplying a positive number with a negative number means it is again a negative number, that is negative 3. Next question, minus 1 into 225. Of course, it will be like the same minus 3 itself. So that will be minus 225. Minus 21 into minus 30. That negative and negative will become positive. Then what is 30 into 21 or 21 into 30? It is 1 into 0 equal to 0, 1 into 3 equal to 3, 2 into 0 equal to 0, 2 into 3 equal to 6. So the answer is 630. So before moving to the next questions, let's have the rule for multiplication when we have the negatives and the positives. You can note this in your notebook. What are the rules in order to multiply negatives and positives? So I have given this in a box. Positive into positive is positive. Positive into negative is negative. Negative into positive is negative. And also negative into negative is positive. So if we take two like charges, it will be positive only. If we take different charges, it will be negative only. Okay, so this is the thing that we can study from this multiplication of integers in positive and negative cases. So the next question, 316, negative 316 into negative 1. So that negative into negative will become positive. Then 316 into 1 is 316 itself. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Always whenever we have 0 in between a multiplication, that complete multiplication will be 0. Next, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Let's do the first two together. 12 into 11. The negatives will be cancelled and it will be multiplied to positive into 10. So 12 into 11 into 10. I have done the 11 into 10 first. That is very simple. Just giving the 0 together with 11. Then I have done 11 into 12 or 12 into 11. Answer is 1320. While doing the multiplication, I have not taken the 0 with 11. Only after getting the answer at the end, I have given the 0 together with the answer. So that 132 have become 1320. Okay, next question, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Of course, 9 into that negatives will be multiplied to positive. So let's do it like 9 into 3 into 6. So what is 9 into 3 into 6? I have done it first. So let's take 18. 9 into 18. So the answer without multiplication we can do like 9 8s are 72. Let's write 2. Then 7 will be remaining. 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Next, minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. That's equal to, you will be remaining with only one negative over there. So you can do the 5 and 4 multiplication first. So minus 20 will come there. 18 into minus 20. This is actually the associative property we are applying here. So that will be minus 360. 18 into 2, 36. Then give the 0 together with the 36. So minus 330. Negative 360. Okay, 360. Next one, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Only 4 is not having negativity, it is positive. So let's do minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So you can write like minus outside 2 into 12, which is equal to minus 24, which is very obvious. Minus 2 into 12 is 24. So the answer is minus 24. Next one, minus 3 into the last one, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Of course, we have 4 negatives here. So all the negativity will be cancelled. So 3 into 6 into 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 itself. 3 into 6 is 18. So 18 into 2, that is 36. The answer is very clear. 18 into 2, that is 36. Okay. Next one, the second question, verify the following. First question, 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So what is the property used here? Of course, it is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So let us, in order to in the verify questions, you have to take the LHS and RHS and prove them separately and show that LHS and RHS are equal. Whatever, it may be equal, may not be equal. So let's take LHS. It is clearly visible that 7 plus minus 3 will become 7 minus 3. So 18 into 7 minus 3 is 18 into 4. You will get 72. Then RHS is 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7 is 126. Then 18 into minus 3. Let's take the negative towards the positivity. So that will be negative over there. Then 8 3s are 24. Then 1 into 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 126 minus 54 is 72. So we can see that both LHS and RHS are same here. So we have verified. Actually, verification means the answer will be like this. So in the beginning, we may not be having a surety about the answer, but in the verification questions, you will get like that concept which is given over there will be right. Okay. Next one, B part, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, which is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Again, this is having the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So let's do the LHS portion first. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, which is equal to minus 10. The bracketed portion is done first. Next, minus 21 into minus 10 is equal to 210. Next, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6, that is the RHS. So minus 21 into minus 4, that first portion will be positive. 21 into 4 plus 21 into 6. So that will be 84 plus 126. The total answer 84 plus 126 is 210. Here also LHS is same as RHS. That means here also we have verified that distributive property is verified. Okay, like we have verified distributive property is holding here. That's it. Next question, the third part. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? For any integer a. So let's take a as 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 3, whatever be. A can be taken as any number. So a into minus 1 or minus 1 into a. What is the answer? Of course it is minus a. Minus 1 into 10, minus 10. Minus 3, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Since a is an integer, it can be positive, negative or 0. So minus 1 into minus a is positive a. Minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. The next part of the question is to determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 22. So I have written the format. So it's of course 22 into minus 1 is equal to minus 22. Next, dash into minus 1 is equal to 37. So that will be of course minus 37. Then only minus into minus will be positive 37. Next one, 0. So minus 1 into which number is 0? Of course it is always 0. Next one, fourth question. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So we have given the first pattern, first line of the pattern. It is minus 1 into 5 equal to minus 5 of course. So let's come down along with the 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and minus 1. Then you will reach the answer. Minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 equal to minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 equal to 0. And at last, minus 1 into minus 1 is positive 1. Till the second last one, it was negative into positive. So it was negative itself. Then at the last, it will be positive 1. Thanks for watching the video. Please stay tuned for the exercise 1.3.